Samsung came out with the S23 Ultra with 200 megapixel camera. One of the main issue with the new 200 megapixel camera is its shutter lag. It takes a couple of seconds to take the actual shot on the 200 megapixel camera. But the fix is here. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Now some of you guys who own S23 Ultra must came across this issue on your S23 Ultra. Even one of my subscribers returned his S23 Ultra just because of shutter lag. But interesting to see the new update on your S23 Ultra fix this issue. Although the new update is a security update, but came with the bug fixes. Even Ice Universe stated the South Korean version of S23 Ultra greatly improved the speed of taking shots at 50 megapixel and 200 megapixel camera after the new update. And Samsung rolling out updates to other market as well. So you should look at if you get the update on your S23 Ultra by going to settings and then software update. Also, the other bugs are also fixed with this new update. Let me know in the comments, did you see this change on your S23 Ultra after update? One thing to notice, South Korean version and other international versions are all same, so you should have to feel the difference. If you didn't see the difference, then there's another fix for you. The Camera Assistant app, which is built into the camera app. Just download the app from a Galaxy store and then go to capture speed and then change the setting that you are comfortable with, but don't go for the lowest since you will lose the details you really wanted from your Galaxy S23 Ultra 200 megapixel camera. There are some people who are facing some issues with the image stabilization, so if you're among them, you should go for this new software update. Although there shouldn't be any issue as S23 Ultra comes with one of the best image stabilization. Also, S23 Ultra comes with one of the best battery among Android smartphones and could catch up against the iPhone 14 Pro Max. But if you're facing the issues, I would suggest you to update and use the dedicated charger to get the possible results, since S23 Ultra can easily charge from 0 to 100% within just 57 or 58 minutes. The One UI 5.1 is one of the stable launch we have seen from Samsung, and if you own S23 Ultra, then you should be happy since Samsung will give you 4 years of major software update, which means you can easily go up to Android 17 on your S23 Ultra. But one issue you might face, which is you should check this display issue on your S23 Ultra and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.